is the patterns and the natural behavior of this place. It corresponds to mathematics. So let's go ahead and proceed.
Okay, I'm here sa parang mini garden or madami nagbebenta dito ng plants. So I will show you guys what I saw here or what is in front of me, like the patterns of the leaves or leaf here, like the plants. So here, as you can see, it is facing in the eyes. But if you take a look on each leaves here, let's start here first. So in these small leaves, you will see that there is a pattern on it, like horizontal pattern. So this leaf is divided or mirrored together in the middle line. So there is a dark green and then like mid green or sage color, and then at the middle, dark green, sage color, and then green. So they are mirrored in the middle. So let's go on this big leaf. As you will see, it is what we call bilateral pattern, wherein the two sides from left to right is mirrored from each other that meets on the middle line of this leaves. Hi guys, we're here at this underground garden. So as you can see, there is sleeping leaf, and this is small polygon. So this is a flower that has 5 petals, and if you will see, since this is 5 petals, it contains our Fibonacci number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So over here, this is called a flesh out forest flower. So this also has a Fibonacci number since it has 5 petals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the